Okay, so this weekend, or a few weekends back, I went and saw a movie called G.I. Joe. Have you heard of it? Well, a lot of people were saying that it was gonna be like totally crappy and stuff, and I was like, no, don't say that about G.I. Joe, because they're jumping over missiles and that looks so awesome. And then I actually saw the movie. Not that bad, just the plot is like shit. Or there are a lot of plot holes, and it's like they were filled with shit blocks, if that makes sense. Probably doesn't, but oh, if you haven't seen the movie, don't watch this, because I'm probably going to like spoil everything for you. Well, you can probably just figure it out for yourself and everything. Like, this is just stuff you're gonna figure out. But so yeah, the brother Rex and how he ends up being Cobra Commander. What the fuck is that? And then when Duke or whatever, when he like sees that Rex is Cobra Commander, because Cobra Commander takes off his mask thing, and he's just like, oh my fucking god, it's Rex. And I'm just like, if I was him, I wouldn't have been like, oh my god, it's Rex. I'd be like, can I have another hint? Who the fuck are you? I had no way of telling until like after I already knew it was him, and then you can kind of see it. But another thing that I disagreed with was Damien Morrell, whatever, that black guy, Ripcord. Him and that white chick, Scarlet. What the hell was that? They were so annoying. I kind of would have been a little bit happy if Ripcord had just died. I mean, I didn't want him to die, but if he had died, I probably would have been sad, but on the inside, just like, yes. And another thing was that scene between those two little kids that are like 7 fighting, and it's just like they're practically pulling out knives and like shanking each other and then setting each other on fire, and I'm just like, what the hell? Like, I saw this with my sister, and we both just started cracking up when we saw that scene, and then we're just looking like everywhere, and we become like the loud black people because no one else is laughing. But we thought it was so hilarious. The action of the movie was good, but whenever anybody was talking, that movie just like was pretty shitty. Hey, that rhymed. Okay, anyways, yeah, I just wanted to do a random ranting video because I'm a rant whore now, which is this YouTube channel with my 2 friends, and I'm joining that channel, but for right now it's just me. I'm just a rant whore. So yeah, peace out.